it has just been a joy to be in this safe space to step out and come to a better understanding of who I am and what I have to offer. And I'm eternally grateful and looking forward to more.
You know, all of you, every single one of you have taught me so much. Like, you guys are just examples of love and what it takes to be a whole woman, like whole and complete. And through group work, through individual work, through just observing you guys, like, wow, you know, like, this is how complete people show up, like not broken, damaged women, like real, complete, full women, like owning everything. I am fully aware of what comes in and what comes out of my mind now. In this last months, the last 9 months have taught me that, you know, I'm responsible for what comes in and I'm responsible for what comes out. It's not always perfect, but it's way, way, way better than it was before. And you guys were amazing role models to me, and I know it's not the end, and I just can't thank you enough. This was like an incredible experience for me.
I'm so grateful from really beyond the bottom of my heart that's possible. It sounds pretty corny, but I have grown so much, and I was always so much of a people pleaser, you know, and now I don't do that. Getting rid of most of it, being authentic and speaking my voice, even when it's uncomfortable, but then it becomes comfortable because it's real. I'm speaking my truth, and I give that credit to both of you ladies and all the beautiful ladies here that have helped me. And the support from the sisterhood here is phenomenal. Phenomenal. I don't know what I would have done without it this past year.
It has been like learning how to build a rocket ship and finding out that I had the match to light the fuse. The help and support and friendships, companionships with everyone on this journey has been amazing.
Through this voyage, which I don't think I've ever experienced anything like this before. The growth, the experience, I think the feelings of it and the knowing of what I've received from it will continue to resonate. There's really nothing like it. So thank you to both of you, and thank you to everybody here. I've grown so much from this. Mostly I've just learned to fall in love with myself and therefore everyone else.
Thank you, all of you. All of you have played such a big part of this. It takes a village to raise a child, and it takes a community to help give birth to women, to me, for my greatness.
Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so grateful for you, all of you. This program has been just like, I'm going to cry now because I'm glad that I could be vulnerable here. And I have healed some things I thought I healed before. I thought I went through so much, 16 years ago when I went through this really intense program for coaching. And this has been the divine present, the divine, like the mastery of how I've gotten to be here. And I really have grown, and I've become more at peace. I've been a better coach, mother. I'm just so grateful for all of you and the women here that have shared their heart. Like, I am just so grateful, each and every one of you. And Beth and Maureen, this content is just superbly, I love it so much. I feel like we should be doing it all over the country, all over the world.
I just jumped right in, and I'm so glad I did. You've been such a role model of what being visible and being in your truth is, and what is trusting the universe and Holy Spirit. You both have been such incredible examples of it. One-on-one, what a fucking bonus. Those one-on-ones were remarkable, and you both complement each other because of all these prompts and all these exercises and just everything that you've shared and have outlined so beautifully. I just want more, and I just want to embrace it. I want to be naked. I want to be more naked.
I might sing it off key, and sometimes the wording ain't gonna rhyme, but I'll stand here naked and sing you this love song, 'cause I've never felt this at no